The essence of spirituality. Spirituality, often described as the journey of soul, is a deeply personal exploration of the sacred and the divine. It transcends the confines of religious doctrine, inviting individuals to embark on a quest for meaning, purpose, and inner peace. At its core, spirituality is about connecting with something greater than oneself, whether conceived of as God, the universe, or the interconnected web of life. Spirituality invites us to transcend the limitations of the ego and tap into a higher consciousness. It is a journey inward, a search for truth, wisdom, and enlightenment. One of the fundamental aspects of spirituality is the cultivation of mindfulness and presence. Through practices such as meditation, prayer, and contemplation, individuals learn to quiet mind, center themselves in the present moment, and attune to the rhythms of the universe. In this state of heightened awareness, they experience a sense of profound peace and clarity. Spirituality also involves the exploration of universal truths and eternal principles, whether through the study of religious texts, philosophical inquiry, or personal introspection. Individuals seek to understand the nature of reality, the purpose of existence, and the interconnectedness of all things. It is a quest for wisdom, insight, and understanding. Furthermore, spirituality fosters a sense of compassion and empathy towards others, recognizing the inherent dignity and worth of every individual. Spiritual seekers strive to cultivate love, kindness, and generosity in their interactions with others. They see beyond superficial differences and connect with the deeper humanity that unites us all. In conclusion, spirituality is a transformative journey of self-discovery, inner peace, and connection to the sacred. It is a path that invites us to explore the depths of our soul, awaken to our true nature, and align with the divine. As we embark on this journey, we discover that spirituality is not just a destination but a way of being, a way of living in harmony with ourselves, others, and the cosmos.